Okay, here's a continuation of the setup we had from excuse me, Friday, and we've had our symmetrical move to the 618 retracement, and when we left off we were going to look at a 30-minute chart for an entry. Basically highlighted a couple of different key areas, this one right here at 1926. You can see on the 30-minute chart we did have a nice setup for a entry, and basically what we're looking to do was enter after we've seen a close above the 1 day, which is transpired on this bar. We had a setup and then we had a breakout. So we bought on a breakout in 1936, and our stop will actually be 1906. This is a 5-minute chart, and basically I got a line here where this little swing high, if we had opened a little lower, might have been an entry, and then of course the breakout of this swing high. What we also do on a 5-minute chart is look for a possible day trade, and we had a nice little break above, a pullback, and then a breakout. So we were able to get a day trade at 118.92 with a, sorry, missed that, a 118.80 stop, so a 12-cent risk, and we had a nice run right up to this 1926 area where we took some profits. We were able to see a pullback to the VWAP, another breakout here, which we were able to get a piece of, and basically just rode it up to the volume weighted average price since this gap down, which took us out there. Now on our longer term trade, our swing trade, we're looking to try and hang with that position as long as we're above this volume weighted average price. As it stands right now, the stop is down at this level where we were on a 30-minute chart. Let's get our 30-minute back up. There we go. And what we will do is look to see what happens when we approach this 1-day moving average. We may raise the stop on some shares to the low of this candle, just pretty close to break even on that. This is a counter trend trade, so you see this big down move here. In the short term we could see some whipsaw, and we don't want to get too big of a punishment for attempting this trade. So basically though, it's still looking good. Like to see a breakout above the highs here. Maybe we get right back up to this 121.50 area, these lows, these highs, and this 5-day moving average. And if we could get up to there, we'll definitely look to take some position off, at least a third of it, or 30% of it.